Hi, I'm Rory McNish, and this is another Marine Minute Monday. In September of 2017, Governor Andrew Cuomo announced a $10.4 million effort to improve Long Island's water quality and bolster the economies and resiliencies of coastal communities by restoring native shellfish populations, creating the Long Island Shellfish Restoration Project. CCE Marine program was granted funds as a part of this effort to expand their existing public hatchery, establish numerous nursery sites, and plant shellfish at sanctuary sites throughout Long Island waters. Each nursery site was evaluated by our scientists to ensure ideal conditions for healthy growth. All shellfish in these nursery sites are housed in floating upweller systems, or flupsies, that are maintained by both CCE field technicians and our wonderful volunteers who check on the units every day. For more information or you want to get involved, please visit the project website. This has been a Marine Minute Monday produced by Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program.